Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on your TikTok account. Now you're seeing a computer on my end. Don't be afraid if you're using your mobile device or tablet because technically they are the exact same procedure, okay? So with this one, please open your TikTok account. On my end, I'm going to use a browser. If you're using also a PC, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and if you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, or any other browsers, it's perfectly fine, okay? So let's head up to Twitter. I'm sorry, TikTok, I mean. So this is gonna be my TikTok account. Please open it up on your end, and then from here, simply click on your edit profile. Okay? Once you click on edit profile, you're gonna see profile photo, username, name, and bio. So on profile photo, you're gonna see this little pencil icon. Please click on it. Once you click on that one, simply choose a photo you want to replace as your profile photo, okay? And that's how easy it is to change your profile photo on TikTok. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Stay safe, guys.